Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best professional chainsaw on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Husqvarna 455 Rancher. The Husqvarna 455 Rancher delivers lower fuel consumption and emissions to meet the world environmental regulations. The unit also features smart technology that allows you to activate/start the chainsaw easily. This small chainsaw bears stroke engine that produces 3.5 HP with speeds. Times have changed and now chainsaws like this have low vibration mechanisms. These mechanisms are able to reduce the stress on your muscles and also make the unit easier to handle. Together, efficient centrifugal air cleaning structure that dispenses of sawdust before it clogs up the air filter system. This obviously saves you the time used to switch out filters. This unit needs no tools to adjust the tension because the feature is included within the chainsaw structure. All you have to do is tweak it to the tension required and you are good to go. Number 2. Our second best pick is Husqvarna 460 Rancher. The Husqvarna 460 Rancher is a high-quality gas chainsaw that comes with a 2-cycle engine to provide optimal power. The unit weighs functions that allow the unit to be more environmentally conscious as it facilitates low fuel consumption and minimizes emissions. No frustrations are experienced when switching on the unit as it has a smart start function. Both the on-off functions are under one button for easy access. The system is also designed to keep the vibration down and thus reduce any kickback. This function also reduces the fatigue felt when handling a chainsaw for long hours. Butter. The centrifugal air cleaning system allows the unit to dispense dirt and reduce the need to clean air filters regularly. The bar chain length is 24 inches, ensuring you can slice through without having to do it in sections. You will also discover that the unit comes with a quick-release air filter and adjustable oil pump. The well-designed unit will not disappoint you. Number 3. Our third best pick is XtremepowerUS chainsaw. The XtremepowerUS chainsaw is designed to cater to light-medium tasks. The 45cc engine unit produces a power output of 2.4 HP, which is adequate to handle tasks that don't need excessive power. The chainsaw has a speed of 9,000 RPM, which is a standard for a unit its size. The unit weighs allows the unit to work with less emission and lower fuel consumption, making it somewhat environmentally friendly. The unit possesses a cutting length of 22 inches and a sufficient air cleaning system that prevents dirt piling up on the air filter. The chainsaw allows for tension adjustment and easy access to the carburetor, filers, and fuel tank with ease. This unit has been tested and approved by the Environmental Protection Agency, therefore, it is safe for use. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Echo Gas Chainsaw. The Echo is a high-performance chainsaw that comes with a 59.8cc 2-stroke engine that offers an energy output of 4.3 horsepower. At the speed of 13,000 rotations per minute, you will be able to accomplish your tasks faster. The 13.3 pounds unit comes with rubber-molded handles to add comfort and facilitate a firm grip on the unit. As you are busy felling trees, the unit uses the G-Force Engine Air Pre-Cleaner TM to remove wood chips from the unit. Even though the unit has a heavy-duty air filter, The automated cleaning feature saves you from having to replace the air filter often, which can be costly over time. Another feature we observe in this unit is that it has lower oil consumption, and this is because of the automated and adjustable clutch-driven oiler. Also, the chainsaw has provided upgraded cutting performance by you can go as low as 16 inches or as high as 27 inches, depending on your needs. The unit comes with a tip guard and a digitalized ignition system to make starting easy. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Makita EA7901 PRZ1 chainsaw. If you are using a chainsaw in cold conditions, chances are it might start to give you some technical issues. That is why you need a powerful model to help you to work, even when times are cold. Enter the Makita chainsaw on this list, and it ensures that frigid temperatures do not take a toll on your chainsaw. This powerful model comes with a 79cc engine that is powerful for the size. It comes with useful features to fight against the cold, including a heated handle that keeps your hands warm in the cold and a 2-point mechanical chain brake. It offers kickback protection as well. Aside from keeping you warm and working in the cold, it offers quick startup and an easily accessible chain department. Therefore, you save time on cleaning and removing debris. If you are a frequent user, you will durability of the product. As a powerful engine, it gives you raw strength to help you get your job done quickly and efficiently. If you have been looking for a powerful saw with an impressive engine and that can be used in different types of weather, then this is absolutely the model that you should consider. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.